How to customize color correction settings on Android. This tutorial shows you how to fine-tune your screen colors beyond the basic setup. First, open the Settings app on your Android device. From there, scroll down and tap Accessibility. After that, tap Vision Enhancements. At this point, tap Color Adjustment. From here, if you haven't enabled it yet, toggle it on and complete the short setup where you tap on colored dots so your device can understand how you perceive color. Following this, once it's set up, tap on Color Adjustment again to access the customization options. After that, you'll see different correction modes listed. Deuteranomaly, protanomaly, and tritonomaly. Tap on whichever one matches your specific color vision difference. From here, below the mode selection, you'll find a slider that lets you adjust the intensity of the correction, so you can fine-tune how strong the effect is until colors look right to you. At this point, if you want to preview how a color test looks with your current settings, look for the preview option on the same screen to compare before and after. Finally, if you ever want to start over, just toggle color adjustment off and back on to redo the setup process from the beginning. That's how you customize color correction settings on Android. If this helped, give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and tap the bell so you catch the next one. See you then!